Join me for small workshops. And its modular design means it's easy to upgrade and modify as needed. And with its advanced temperature control system, you can print with a wide range of materials, from PLA and ABS to nylon and more. One of the most exciting aspects of the BAMBU Lab P1S is its potential to democratize access to 3D printing technology. With its affordable price point and ease of use, it's now possible for hobbyists and professionals alike to bring their ideas to life. We've seen experts use the P1S to create everything from prosthetic limbs to functional mechanical parts, and the possibilities are truly endless. According to Dr. Maria Rodriguez, a leading expert in 3D printing, the BAMBU Lab P1S has opened up new avenues of research and development in the field of 3D printing. Its precision and reliability have allowed us to push the boundaries of what's possible. As we can see from Dr. Rodriguez's testimony, the P1S is more than just a printer. It's a tool that's changing the game. What have we learned about the BAMBU Lab P1S today? We've seen how it addresses common challenges in 3D printing and explored its unique features and innovative design. We've also heard from experts about its potential to revolutionize the field of 3D printing. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the P1S is definitely worth considering. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the secrets of the BAMBU Lab P1S. Have you had any experiences with 3D printing that you'd like to share? Leave a comment below, and be sure to check out our next video on the latest advancements in 3D printing technology.